Okay, so I just want to say this was the Dubois bedroom when they lived in Ghana in 1961, and as she said, the floor is the only thing changed here. Their wardrobe, their bathroom is intact, and then we have the academic gowns that was given to Dubois. He was the first Black American to receive a PhD in Harvard and also receive an honorary from the University of Ghana here. So, and a few others from other universities like Berlin University and the others. So they are all showcased there. And this is a gift he received on his 91st birthday from China. And then we have the Encyclopedia Africana, which brought him to Ghana. So we have the 3 copies. These were what he was able to publish before he passed away, because he could only live 2 years in Ghana before he passed. So these are on 8 countries. The original copies are what is shown here, and his most famous written book is there, and The Crisis also as the editor. And we also have a few handwritten notes here showcased there. And that box we see there is their packing box, as old as it was. Yeah, he had a French-Dutch father and a black mother, but he traced his mother raised to Ghana. That is why he chose to be a Ghanaian citizen. Yeah. And out that we have, that's the first wife, Nina Goma, and then down there is the second wife, Shelley Graham Dubois. Yeah, and then that's a few friends with him there going for a relaxation as. Yeah, and then the other one is when he came fresh to Ghana, yeah, to witness Kwame Nkrumah being made president of Ghana. So that was a few get together with Dr. Kwame Nkrumah at the reception of his reception, yeah. And a few of his family picture is also showcased there. Himself at 5 and with a mother as a baby, and then with the first wife and their first son who died at 18 months. Their daughter Yolande died at age 60. When he was actually supposed to come to Ghana in 1960, but when he was invited, that was when Yolande died, so he couldn't come, but had to come in 61. Yeah. So this also is one part of the gift he received. And then the gift has been explained here. That was for his 91st birthday. So the gray hair depicts old age, the scroll depicts wisdom, the king depicts leadership, and then the fruit depicts leadership.
So he died of old age, or?
Yeah, he died at 95, yeah. Normal death in this very room.
Yeah. All right, so what you got back here?
Yes, these are his honorary gowns. That's what I mentioned earlier. This is from University of Ghana, and that's from Harvard University, as the first Black American to receive a PhD from
AU Center, Atlanta University.
University of Ghana.
Ghana.
This one, and then this is from Harvard, and a few others.
That's Atlanta University. Howard University. Atlanta University. University of Mass. Atlanta University right here, y'all. W.B. Dubois. This was the gown. Here it comes. AU Center, Clark, Atlanta. Clark College.
But some of them have been changed. Some of them have. This one has been, now they don't use this, but during Dubois' time, that was what he was using. And when he went to Berlin University he wasn't awarded his honorary gown. It was after 70 years because he couldn't take the last semester, and as a result of financial issues, and because he didn't take that, he wasn't given his honorary gown. But after 70 years with what he has achieved in life, he was given his honorary gown.
I think so. I think so. A lot of